Sunday morning, 21st of September 2025. As usual, our team, the team from Bangladesh USA, in collaboration with the Alkhidmat from Pakistan, is now preparing hot and tasty meals. However, today it's a bit different because we will be distributing the hot meals in prayer halls and mosques to help support and encourage the brilliant students who are reciting and memorizing the Holy Quran. So stay with the process. Hello again. Today we'll be targeting 4 mosques and prayer halls, including Hunain, in which you are at the moment, Malik, Al-Bashir, in addition to Al-Hidayah. So they are containing 1,500 students who receive the knowledge of the Holy Quran and keep memorizing it. So 200 students have completed memorizing the whole Quran, and 150 of them will be completely memorizing the Holy Quran in a few days. With your support, we will continue supporting them till memorizing the whole Quran. So today we are being distributing the whole meals for them to encourage them and to support them towards memorizing the whole Quran. Thanks for the support. Please keep pushing forward to have the great rewards. Thanks, and keep on this way.